Hello everyone, welcome back to Motion Mix. In today's video, you are going to learn how to create this animated event poster using Canva and your smartphone. After opening Canva, we'll go to mobile video and open a blank canvas. After you've opened a blank canvas, go to photos and in the search bar type face model in sunglasses. Scroll down to the fourth row and choose the image on the right, and then bring your image onto your canvas. Position and adjust the size of your image. Make sure that it fits the entire canvas. Now go to elements and scroll down to frames. Choose a circle frame and bring it onto your canvas. Adjust the size of your frame so that it fits into the sunglasses. And make a duplication of the frame. Now we are going to add clips onto our frame. Go to video, and when you get to video, in the search bar, type party. Scroll down to the 13th row and then choose the video on your left hand side. Bring your video onto your canvas. As we can see, our clip is 21.9 seconds. We want to trim our clip to 15 seconds. In the toolbar, tap on the little scissor and start adjusting your clip. Let's put it on 15 seconds. After adjusting the duration of the clip, we can now duplicate our clip and then adjust the size of both clips. We can now put both clips into our sunglasses. With just a little push, you can put the clips into the glasses. And this is our final project. If you found value in this video, please like, subscribe, and comment. Until the next one, peace out.